Let's do a hydro dip. Here's the table. Begin with a coat of black primer. After the black primer dried, I applied 2 coats of Kills primer to the top only. Here I'm using satin finish spray paints in a variety of colors and brands. This technique works best when the water is warm. It turns out this yellow is a flat finish. That's why the paint stops spreading. Satin or gloss works best.
I've done better, but we'll make it work. I'll just take what it gave me and then I'll do some stuff around it.
I'm using Brea Reese alcohol inks, navy blue, green, and yellow. Apply 2 coats of Liquitex Solovar spray varnish. See you in the next video.